If you are experiencing remote play issues on PS5, then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check for updates. Before you set up your device for remote play, make sure your PS5 software is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Method 2. Stay online in rest mode. Navigate to Settings, then select System, then Power Saving. Next, choose Features available in rest mode. Now, turn on Stay Connected to the Internet option. Select Enable Turning on PS5 from Network option. Method 3. Enable Remote Play on console. From the home screen, select Settings, then select System, then Remote Play, and then turn on Enable Remote Play. You can adjust the setting for each user. To start remote play while your PS5 console is in rest mode, select Settings, then select System, then select Power Saving. Next, select Features available in rest mode. Then turn on Stay Connected to the Internet and enable turning on PS5 from network. Method 4. Set up remote play on PC. The next thing you should do is set up remote play. Here is how to do it correctly. Turn on your console or put it to rest mode. Use a USB cable to connect your controller to your PC or Mac. Download and then launch the PS Remote Play app on your PC or Mac. Select Sign in to PSN and sign in with the same account that you use for your console. Then select Other Connections if prompted. Then select PS5. Here, you should get a pop-up that if you have enabled remote play on PC, click on OK. In the app, go to Settings to configure video quality settings for remote play, such as resolution and frame rate. Select the PS5 console. The app searches for the PS5 console that you have signed in to your account and then connects to the console automatically. After the app connects, the screen of your console will display on your PC or Mac and you can start using remote play. If multiple consoles are found, select the console that you would like to use. Sign in to the same account on your console and remote play device. Method 5. Restart the devices. If the previous methods didn't help, restart the devices. Press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select Power. Choose Restart PS5 or similar option. Once the device restarts, check if this could resolve the issue. You should also restart the PC on which you are going to take the remote access. Method 6. Sign out from and sign in back. If restarting the devices didn't fix the issue, you can sign out from the Remote Play app on your device and sign back in again. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are getting error remote play issues. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.